Hi guys, thanks so much for visiting OMG Christal Cooks. Today I'm using the Pampered Chef Veggie Spiralizer. What this guy is for is to spiralize any type of vegetable into a healthy non-carb meal. So today we're going to be using the zucchini, and this is the first time I've ever used this item. So I went on YouTube, saw how Pampered Chef uses it, and now I'm going to go ahead and try to use it. So the first thing that you can do is you pull up on here, and this is a safety guard. And inside the safety guard is your little key here. Let me pull up. There we go. And on this side is little tiny, sorry, I washed it before we used it, so there's a little water there. But little tiny blades. So this would make your angel hair pasta, and then we're gonna make more of a linguine pasta right here. Place the blade in the back. I'll flip around so you can see. So it goes right in the back right here, the key out, so there's a little key here. So pull that in, and then we're gonna lift up on the blade, and then you go ahead and, let me move this so you can see, and you tighten your key here. So now the blade is nice and tight, and we're gonna try to use this for the first time. So what they do is they say try to get it right in the middle. All right, and then you just push down. So this one has little spikes on the top, and you're gonna push down so it grips it. It's really easy once you get it all set. So the blade was just needed to make sure the key was nice and tight. You might have to take it off in between and just take your little cleaning tool here by Pampered Chef and just brush the blades.